Good morning, Mighty Acorns. I'm Shelley with the Conservation Foundation, and we're today out here at Prestonfield looking for signs of spring. There's lots of things going on over here, and we're going to do a little virtual nature hike and look for some things on our scavenger hunt. Right now, I can hear lots of birds chirping. I can hear the American robin. You might see a few flying around. So we're going to mark that off on our list as we make our way through Prestonfield.
Right up above, we have a red-bellied woodpecker sitting up there, working on this old decaying tree. You can see it sits right on the edge of this wetland area here. You can see the moss growing on the tree as it decays. And lots of insects rely on these for home, for their habitat. We can hear them.
Hello, I'm Maura, and here we are at Prestonfield, and I'm one of the educators with the Conservation Foundation, and we've been working on this site for many years, and this is a beautiful site. As you can see behind me, we have some beautiful oaks. They're not in bloom yet, they're starting to bud out a little, but what the students have been doing is planting little oaks, and you can see there's a little bur oak that's coming up here now, and it's budding. And we found some others as we were clearing out some of the invasive plants. We found some other little oaks, so we're trying to protect those. So I'm going to go ahead and check off a tree, a large tree, for our scavenger hunt. So here at Prestonfield Park, we have a little ephemeral wetland. Ephemeral means that it's only present part of the year, usually in the early spring. And do you hear something? I do. I hear the western chorus frog. I actually hear a couple of them, and they're singing away. Usually the males are singing to try to attract a mate. And then later this summer this will dry up, and then the little frogs will go back into the mud, and they will start their cycle again.
Okay, look what we found in the prairie. We have a goldenrod gall. So this makes its home. So the insect lays its larva, its eggs, inside on the gall stem of the goldenrod, and then it makes a home inside there. So it exits in the spring, and you would see a little bit of a hole. That means it's gone, but we don't see that today. So pretty cool. Okay, so here in the woodland, we found a dead tree. It's toppled over here, and this is the stump that's left here. And these trees are really important for the animals and insects as food and habitat. So they'll break down, the decomposers will live in this tree, in this stump, and break it down and decompose it back into the ground. It takes about 15 years, and that returns into the ground for soil. So we'll mark that off our list. So we have found a stump and a dead tree in the woodland. Well, here as we're walking along the path, right here in Prestonfield, we have come upon some scat. And you can see all the hair in there. It's a little bit over here as well, sitting on the moss. And this would be most likely coyote scat. So we will mark that off on our sheet because we have found some scat today.